Papercraft Essentials issue 191 is now available to order at craftstash.co.uk. So we have a fantastic selection of cards and other paper crafting goodies in here that you can make to follow with step-by-step instructions. Now we are also going to be getting the RSPB paper kit in this. Let's have a look and see what's in that paper kit and then see some of those beautiful cards that are inside this magazine. So this is the Luxury Bird Collection Kit and I adore this. We've got toppers in here that are foiled with gold foiling. They are so stunning. And then we've also got some papers as well. There are 94 elements in total. All of these are already die cut for you, so you need only pop them out rather than taking your scissors to them, making your crafting so much quicker and easier. The designs are stunning, as you can see. We've got Christmas designs, winter designs. I mean, look at that wood grain with the beautiful foiled foliage all the way around the outside. So pretty. We've got beautiful traditional papers as well, really good quality paper too, and repeated images. So you're not going to have to think about saving your favourite image. You can save one and use one. The gorgeous designs with the robins there and such, perfect for this time of year when you're Christmas crafting. But then we also have things like kingfishers, which of course would suit absolutely any time of year. We have that gold foiling all the way around each of the toppers and running through some of the sentiments as well. The papers of course match those toppers too, so you're never going to be stuck for a backing paper for any of those elements. And as I do a quick flick through the rest, you can see just some of the other gorgeous designs that are included in here. It really is jam-packed filled. Inside the magazine we have lots of different styles of makes. First of all, we have our Lisa Horton. She's been creating some gorgeous stamped cards. Now I love that we get the step-by-step instructions for these, so even as a complete beginner you're never going to be left on your own with these magazines. But then we also have top tips for you, so whatever level you are, the tips are always going to help you. Then we have this section. Now this is great because we're thinking about Christmas, we're thinking about sweet treats and ways of gifting those treats as well. And Kim Dello just does this so well. So she's given us ideas for adding tags and little notelets to our gifts, down to actually making the boxes as well, which are really pretty. Then Debbie Simpson has created the most beautiful penguin cards. So this includes some colouring as well, but I absolutely love the colourways that she's used for these. She's given you, with her favourite Copic pens, all of the colours that she's used too. So if you have those pens or you need to stock up, you've got those codes there. Now I love this. So Claire Gladman has created these Christmas cards with a really contemporary twist. So they all have like this rose gold, this metallic look to them, which is really beautiful and perfect for people like teenagers, for maybe people who love their contemporary metallics at the moment. Christine Smith has created an amazing piece where she's shown us 6 cards that all have beautiful apertures and windows. I love that all the detail inside each and every card. You're going to learn something new with each one. Again, you've got your step-by-step instructions here and gorgeous photography that I just think really shows you exactly how the card's put together. I adore that we have as well this extended step-by-step piece with the photographs as well, which includes the colouring and building all of those elements up. Traditional Christmas cards are something that some of us absolutely still love to do all the time rather than the modern and contemporary mixes. So Cheryl Morgan has shown us how to build up some really stunning and very vintage feel Christmas cards here. Now coming back to that RSPB Luxury Bird Collection kit that we've got in with the magazine, Kirsty has created some amazing cards here. So she's using those backing papers. So again, you're going to have these to hand so you can do exactly the same cards if you want to, just adding your own cardstock and adhesives. And then Liz has gone in as well and created some very different looking ones, but in a different colourway. And then also our own editor Nikki has also created, she's been playing with this same paper kit and showing us step-by-step instructions and some completely alternative ways of using them. So this kit really does have so many different looks and styles to it. Sandra's been playing too, but Sandra's been making some gifts here rather than cards, which is absolutely something you can be doing. We've got 3-dimensional projects here. We've got beautiful home decor pieces. You can be making these and gifting them at Christmas time. I love Bev's take on the masculine Christmas cards as well, using a snowflake die and repeating it, but for very different looks for every card. And lastly, I want to show you this technique that Ingrid's shown us. So using distress oxide sprays, I have seen these everywhere. I've got a few, but using Ingrid's expertise, I have been able to learn so much and create beautiful cards like these. Again, we've got our step-by-step instructions. You also are going to pick up so many top tips from what she's telling us here. So that's a bit of a sneak peek into issue 191 of Papercraft Essentials. I hope you love it as much as I do. It's available now for you to order at craftstash.co.uk.